Eat this fruit today and feel relief tomorrow. Ever felt bloated and frustrated from constipation? Forget harsh laxatives. These 12 fruits naturally clear things out fast. 1. Apples. Rich in fiber, especially in their skin. 1 apple daily helps gently move things along. 2. Bananas. Ripe bananas have plenty of soluble fiber, helping to ease bowel movements gently. 3. Pears. Sweet and packed with fiber and sorbitol. 1 pear a day, fresh or baked, provides quick relief. 4. Grapes. High in water and fiber, grapes naturally ease constipation and support hydration. 5. Blackberries. High in fiber, low in sugar, perfect daily snack for smooth digestion. 6. Dragon fruit. Delicious, feeds good gut bacteria, and provides gentle relief quickly. 7. Papaya. Contains papain enzyme, easing digestion when eaten fresh daily. 8. Oranges. Juicy and fiber-rich. Oranges stimulate digestion and hydration. 9. Figs. Gentle yet powerful, fresh or dried figs improve digestion without discomfort. 10. Kiwi. Small but mighty, 2 kiwis daily significantly ease constipation gently. 11. Prunes. Nature's ultimate laxative, 5 or 6 daily quickly soften stools better than most laxatives. 12. Pineapple. Packed with bromelain, an enzyme that promotes digestion and reduces bloating. Quick tips for best results. Drink plenty of water. Introduce fiber gradually. Eat fruits about 30 minutes before meals. Seek medical advice if constipation persists. Which fruit will you try first? Share in the comments. I'd love to hear your choice. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips.